So what you should know about WhatsApp channels. So this is a new feature. Finally, it's available also for me. So I'll just share just a quick tutorial. I just browsed a bit and looked through. So there you have it. So WhatsApp channels is now launching over 150 countries, but it's launching a bit in rollouts. So you probably will need to wait like few days or something. For me, for example, I'll just share so I just first seen this pop up. The channels isn't available for you yet, but then the next day it was available, and now this is how it looks like. So if you just open WhatsApp, on the first tab from the left you will see updates tab, where you will see all the channels available from here, and then that's just basically what it is. And what are channels basically? Why WhatsApp is launching this feature? So this is like a broadcast, like channel broadcasting. So imagine like a group chat, but in that group chat only admin can post and everyone else can basically only comment under admin's message or just send reactions. So that's basically what channels are. Or other way to imagine it, if you just go to like Facebook feed, but you just not global news feed where you just see updates for everyone, but you just go to specific profile of person, and then you will see all the updates from that person in one place, and you can just comment and react to them. So that's basically it. That's what it is, but just in the form of messenger. This is a new format. It's already quite popular in Telegram. So Telegram is not, it's also one of the top apps, but for some niche markets. But now this feature has been released in WhatsApp. So basically, yeah, here how it looks like. You just see all these messages, and as you can see, I can just go here and like tap and hold, and then I can just react to this. There's limited amount of emojis, so only 6 emojis. Why is that? Because they don't want to overflow with all these different other emojis. Then you can forward this, you can copy it, the message. Then if you upgrade to many channels, you can mute or unmute them in top right. So that's what it is. And then in top right there are like 3 dots menu. You can see some channel info, you can see number of followers, you can see if you're following, you can see channel description, muted, then you can see if this is public or channel or not, and then you can see that some privacy features. Added privacy for your profile and phone number. You're not visible to other followers. Your phone number is protected. Admins can see your full phone number unless they saved you as a contact. Admins can see your profile name. So admins might also see your profile photo based on your privacy settings. So this is just like a setting there. So you are not visible to people viewing a channel, including other channel followers, and they can't see how you interact with channel contact. Your contacts can't see which channels you follow or how you interact with channel content. Your profile and channel interaction information may be available to channel admins, but admins who aren't contacts only see limited informations. So admins who aren't contacts may see your profile picture and how you interact with channel content, but admins can see your full phone number or profile name unless they have saved you as a contact. Admins who are also contacts, they can, however, see all your info. And yeah, that's basically what it is. Then you can see if it's a public channel or not. You can unfollow, you can report a channel. And that's basically it. So the idea is that you can just scroll through all these channels and then you just kind of consume content in this way. And then there are other channels. If you scroll to the bottom on this tab, you can see you can find other channels. You can just search through them. You can find some most active channels. You can find some popular channels. There are some new channels. You can filter out by different countries. So I guess there will be a lot of creators here who want to try this new kind of medium. And then yeah, you can just, right now there are a lot of brands as usual, like all these publications, Wall Street Journal, whatever, just come in here. They still have like quite few followers. It just started. So yeah, maybe it's a good thing if you wanna find additional promotion channel. Just start out here when you have the um, opportunity to create this channel. So that's what it is. And then you just again have your updates. You can just tap on the plus icon to follow specific channels. And then that's what it is. Ideally, in the future, you will be able to create your channel if you tap a plus icon. But because this feature is just being rolled out in stages, so therefore it's kind of it's like it's been rolled out in phases. That's why like some features as being able to create a channel are not yet available. So that's what it is. But if you muted channels in top right, there is also another cool feature that you can see all the updates from muted channels. So that's also quite handy. And then yeah, basically you just followed. So I just followed like TechCrunch, and then you can just see all the updates from here. Like I'm using this feature a lot on Telegram, so I consume a lot of news actually from Telegram or Twitter. So these are like my two apps, and kind of the one thing is like what my experience is that actually brings you much more focused approach. So if you like some kind of publication, you can just go to the specific channel and you can kind of focus on all of this different news from this publication. Instead of on Twitter or somewhere else, you will just see the full feed of updates, and then you're just just getting distracted. So this is more like focused way of consuming content. But the thing is, like, it's very hard to switch between channels. So it's like you read in one scene, you need to go back, or just scroll to another one, then read another creator. So you won't be able to consume as much content if you just use like a standard news feed, like just go to Twitter and see all the updates from everyone. So this is not that. This is just you have your like 10 creators, 10 publications you like to read, and then you just subscribe to them, and then you just read them. So this is, I guess, it's like a different way to consume content, and it looks more like like a messenger kind of environment. So yeah, it's a bit different, I would say, but it can be quite handy. But it's quite hard to follow, like 60 publications here. So if on Twitter or like whatever Instagram you can follow like 2,000 people, here if you follow 2,000 channels, it's actually becoming quite complicated. However, maybe they will just enable some updates, but I can't imagine you just swiping through 2,000 channels every day. So it's more like you have 10 followers you really like to read, and then you just follow them and you just swipe through, and you have this that. So that's what it is. Hope you like this quick overview, and thanks for watching.